the elevator at some building on South 18th Street in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. So there's one Oildraulic impulse. There's a weird way to add over the beams an old building. This was added lower level. There's a card reader right there that they removed. And here you go down. Here at lower level. There's a creepy basement, very creepy. 3's locked, go up to 2. Here we go. There was a 2 locked out there that I guess they removed. Motor sounds unusual for a Dover, a little bit, not too much. Here 2. Goes right to a tenant. Right down to 1. Just like a potting green, and that's weird. I don't know what that tenant is. No phone. Wood and wiring. Certificate installed in 1998. It's a basic Fager grain cab. Here back at 1. That's